Hi everyone, how are you? Now learn how to create an account on Roblox, quickly and safely. First, you need to download the ROBLOX app. To do this, go to your Play Store or App Store. Search for the name of the game and install it. After you install it, just open the game. Now, let's click on Create Account. First, select your birthday. Finally, click on Confirm Birthday. Now, let's create our username. Guys, you need to choose a name that doesn't already exist in the game, so be creative. With the name created, let's now create a password for this account. Make a very strong password. Use uppercase, lowercase letters, and numbers. I recommend that you write this password down somewhere. Finally, select your gender between male and female, and finally click on Create Account. That's basically it, guys. You can now choose a map and play. To make your account more secure, let's add an email to this account. Go to the Settings option, and now go to Account Information. And finally press Add Email. Enter an email that you actually have access to. You will access your email and open the message from Roblox. Finally, press Verify Email. By doing this, your account will be more secure. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe and activate the bell.